Sir, stand up. This man, stand up. Your time has come. Your time has come. Your time has come. The Lord said restoration. 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 Are you a politician?
Yes, sir.
The Lord said restoration.
Amen.
So much money was lost.
Yes.
So much money.
Yes, sir.
Like an election.
Yes, sir.
Did you do an election?
I do, sir.
And you lost so much money. Promises,
yes,
promises were made to you.
Yes, sir.
It's like you were deceived.
Yes, sir.
It's like somebody said, come for this, we'll help you. Finally, you discovered that they turned everything.
Yes, sir.
And God is saying that dry bones will rise.
Amen.
And it will help you.
Amen.
And what will happen is that there will be a release.
Amen.
And this release that the Lord is bringing, we pay back for all that you've lost.
Amen.
Is that your wife?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been married?
15 years.
And the hand of God will be upon you.
Amen.
A B. A B.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
AP.
One, two, three, four, five. Five.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many children?
You have 5 children.
You have 5 children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come. Stretch your 2 hands. Political relevance is coming. Touch! The spirit of greatness will rest upon you, and you recover everything you have lost. It will be a new beginning. Your time has come. Woman, your time has come. Is that your child? Number what?
Number 3.
3.
Yes, sir.
You have other children here or just this one?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir.
And now I pray for a release of grace. Your time has come. Somebody say, my time has come.